What up, what up, what up, guys? Crazy day in the market so far, huh? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? What's going on? What's going on, guys? What's going on? Still trying to understand trading, but you can't? Why is that, bro? Are you in the Discord or no? What's going on, everybody? What's going on TikTok? What's going on, everybody? If anybody has any questions, guys, feel free to let me know, guys. Feel free to let me know. Crazy morning so far in the markets, huh? If you're not in the Discord, Big Vibes, join the Discord. Use code ZACH. It's on the screen. Gets you 30% discount for life. Make sure you use that code. 30% discount for life. Nice bounce on GEV there, guys. Really nice bounce there on GEV. Any question for any stock, guys? Go ahead. We just took some GEV calls in the Discord, guys. Just took some GEV calls right there. Really nice bounce right off that hourly 20 EMA, guys. Really nice bounce. Hey guys, if anyone has any questions, guys, for any tickers, feel free, let me know, guys. What up, Jason? Am I taking any trades? We just took some GEV, guys, in the Discord. We took it off this hourly 20 EMA, retested this breakout zone, absolutely A+. If the trade ended here, it would still be a great one, right? Nice trade there, right? Perfect. Couldn't ask for a more perfect bounce, right? Really nice bounce there, guys. Really nice bounce there. Reading the chat. 1 second, guys. So the steps, if you're going to join the Discord, click link in the bio, use code ZACH. From there, we can walk you through how to get started, what to look for, and all that stuff. Oscar OSCR. I'm not a fan of this stock personally, guys. Daily downtrend, weekly downtrend, monthly is trying to hold on, but this thing has a long way to fall if it does break under $13. So I'm not a huge fan of this. GME actually weirdly does not look bad. We need to break above last month high around $34. Above that could look good. AMC is just a pile of garbage. Do not touch AMC personally, guys. I would not touch that one. AMD, this is another tough one, guys. The daily hasn't flipped. Weekly downtrend, monthly still trying to hold on, but again, another tough one. So this one's going to be kind of in between here. Rigetti, this one also went nuclear. I would just continue to try to buy daily pullbacks. At some point, it'll pull back to the daily 20. That's when you'll buy it, right? QSI. Buy pullbacks. GEV's buzzing right here, guys. GEV's buzzing. Guys on TikTok, if you guys can double tap the screen, like the stream, really appreciate that, guys. That GEV's at 8.7 here, guys. Nice bounce on that GEV, guys. Beautiful bounce. Beauty, beauty, beauty. I think I got all those tickers that everyone asked me, didn't I? I think we're good. Someone said Celsius. Exxon, sorry, I'll get over this. Celsius, guys, another one I'm not a huge fan of. The daily's trying to flip, but still in a weekly and a monthly downtrend. This thing needs a lot of work to start getting going. I'm not one when looking long-term to try to buy bottoms, but above $32 potentially can get going. Exxon Mobil, another one I'm not a huge fan of. The monthly's a little bit weak here. Weekly downtrend and daily still in a downtrend, so I wouldn't touch this. AMC, guys, it's garbage. Any name in general, guys, that has reverse splits to stay on the exchange like this, guys, just don't touch them. You know, good general rule of thumb, just don't touch them, guys. Waking up next to you. GME does look better though because the chart's a bit more constructive. Daily uptrend, weekly uptrend, monthly uptrend. So yes, it's still a meme stock, but it does look a lot better. But I'm focusing here on this GEV, guys, because we just got in on the Discord and we're buzzing here. We're buzzing. Got a little bit of a failure to go lower here in the markets overall, huh? Let me know TikTok if you guys have any questions. You've been a little quiet here. What about EW? I'm trying to read the chat, guys. And as always, guys, if you guys want to make sure... Hold on, I'm really cold. 1 second. As always, guys, if you want to make sure that you are always getting your questions answered, guys, make sure you tap into the Discord, guys. Tag me in the Discord. I'll answer all the questions from there for you guys. GEV is ripping, guys. This is GEV, guys. Ticker symbol GEV. Hello? Maybe, but I'm on stream, so just text me, okay? This name is just absolutely ripping, guys. This is super nice. Again, I called this in the Discord, guys. I posted this. Contracts went from 6.4 to like 9.5 or so here, guys. Super sweet move. What do I think of MSTR? All I know is this GEV is ripping. MSTR, the daily needs to flip back into an uptrend. Once the daily flips back into an uptrend, it'll be valid. Everything else looking good besides that. But I'm focusing here on this GEV real quick, guys. If anybody has any questions, guys, let me know. And if anyone wants to trade with the best trading firm out there, guys, Tradeify is a straight-to-funded broker. Using code StockDads gets you a 30 to 35% discount. And there's no evaluation process, guys. Super dope. Show my first payout from Fast Fund. What is Fast Fund? I've never heard of that. Never heard of Fast Fund, but if you're getting payouts, it's all that matters. If you're getting payouts, it's all that matters. They're a newer firm, got you. If you're getting payouts, it's all that matters, though. It's all that matters, right?
Watch more live sports. All in one place. Get your favorite on YouTube TV. In terms of
Tesla got whacked today, guys. Probably going to be an inside weekly bar if I had to guess. Probably just chop around a bit. If we get back down to like 382s, it could be a good spot to long. But for now, I'm not going to touch Tesla. This GEV is popping, though. Ace, we already in, brother. We already in that GEV. We already in, brother. Fubo, not a fan of trading these stocks, guys, after these huge catalysts, but like, you know, it could, you know, make a turn. It just needs to retrace a bit. Excuse me, needs to retrace a bit. I would assume it's like $8 area. If it does get up there, it'll be huge resistance. So, excuse me, we'll see. Sounds good, Emily. Again, if anyone, excuse me, if anyone does want to use a Tradeify platform, again, I'm telling you guys, it's the best firm out there right now in the market. No evaluation process, lightning fast payouts. You get paid, requested, approved to your bank within like 45 minutes to an hour. Using code StockDads gets you that nice discount, guys. Again, that GEV, guys, the reason why we took it, right off that hourly 8 EMA, excuse me, hourly 20 EMA retest, right? Retest of this previous breakout zone. Really, really nice bounce, guys. QNCCF, Quantum Emotion. I don't really mess with OTC stocks, guys. I don't really mess with OTC. SSR. This thing has like no volume at all, so I probably wouldn't touch this one. ARBE, Robotics. If you got in this at a sub $2, you're looking good. A lot of these robot stocks have been ripping, right? Serve just kind of pulled back today to daily 8 EMA, so. Any other questions, guys? Any other tickers? Again, if you guys want to trade with us and me and the team, guys, if you're not already in the Discord, make sure you click the link in the bio. Use code ZAC to your 30% discount for life, guys. Make sure you take advantage of that. Let me know, guys. Any questions, feel free. Let me know. Let her rip. Let her rip. GEV is ripping nice. Already covered Tesla. Someone said KO. I don't really like trading that. What's up, Fish? The best Tradeify account, definitely, Darren, is the 150K straight to funded account for sure. No evaluation process. Super easy rules. It's very simple. It's very black and white. You follow the rules, you get paid, and you get paid fast. On my YouTube channel, same username, Zach Austin Trades. I do have a full payout video. I've been paid out now twice from them, $8,000 total. But my first payout, I did it live because I didn't know what to expect. So I did the entire thing live, posted it on YouTube. That GEV is ripping though, guys. We got in at 6.5 around here. 6.4, 6.5, about an $8 move since then. If we get to 369s, I'll probably close that position out. Do I go on IG live often? I recently started following you. Appreciate that. I don't do it too often. I'm on live most days, though, in the Discord, in the Stock Dads Discord. So I'm not sure if you're already in there, but use code ZAC, gets you a 30% discount for life. For example, this one trade, one contract would have paid for at least a couple months. So we bought in right here. As mentioned, boom, right, that hourly 20 EMA, retest of this big breakout zone. Super beautiful play. And now I'm going to look to exit and reevaluate at 369 if we can get there, guys. Darren, so I got my first payout got a little bit delayed because actually I messed up personally. I had to create the account to actually get paid from, which is the Rise account. Making that account took me about 20 minutes. From when I made that account, I was paid out in literally 90 seconds. I was approved, paid out in 90 seconds. And then from the actual account to my bank was probably another 40 minutes. So figure at most the entire process from creating the Rise account to requesting it to the approval to sending it to the Rise to the bank was like an hour. Crazy. Can't get much better than that, guys. Darren, it took me a bit longer because I was doing some streaming and stuff, but 10 days. 10 total days does not matter green, does not matter red. And there's 3 different windows every month you can withdraw from, so there's plenty of opportunity. Obviously, you have to trade to make money anyway. You know, it doesn't matter what firm you're on. They don't want you to, you know, have one huge day, really, and then just, you know, take advantage of that, so... You got it, Darren. Yeah, highly suggested, guys. You can have it up to 5 different accounts for the straight to funded. Again, there's no evaluation process. You know, very feasible rules, right? There's no intraday drawdown like Apex or some of those other firms. I think Take Profit Traders, same thing like that. You know, you have to trade 10 days, and there's a consistency rule, and that's it. You do that, you get paid, and get paid fast. Again, like I said, I've had 2 different payouts. The first one was 2,000 or 3,000. Second one was 6,000, so I'm just shy of 10,000. Hopefully my next withdrawal, which will be probably next week or 2 or something like that, that'll take me over the 5-figure mark officially there. And I probably could have been paid, or could have probably made more faster, but I was doing a lot of streaming and I took a lot of energy and time and focus doing that. So. GEV's approaching this 369 area here, guys. Just about there, right? I'm gonna close it up here. All right, so we close out that GEV there, guys. Close out that GEV. Back above 369, we can look for more longs, but for now, closing it up. Beauty move right there, guys. Already covered that ARBE stock. Just needs a pullback, that one. Let me know, guys, if anybody else has any other questions, guys. Anyone has any other questions? NQ is under level, ES is above, a bit conflicting here. Let me know, guys. Any other questions, feel free. Let it rip, guys. There we go. GEV about to hit that target, guys. Super nice trade. If anyone's in the chat on stream, let me know if anyone's able to snag that. All right, beauty. Let's check out NQ. See where we're at. See what we're doing here. Just kind of hanging under these EMAs here, right? Hourly just got smoked. Dropped like 400 points in a couple hours there. It's very conflicting here because if we look at NQ, we're underneath our key level here. On ES is like pretty much right at it, under, above, kind of just fighting it, right? So it can really go either way. So I'd say I'd probably hold off for longs and shorts. I would just wait. We did have a huge move already. I mean, look at this move, right? From basically the high day to the low day, we dropped 400 points. So we dropped 400 points in like an hour and a half. So, you know, I'm not in the camp to try to short. Is this Blues Clues? Yeah. Shout out Blues Clues. I'm not really in the camp to try to continue to short. So, but I also am not going to long right now. So I'm just going to kind of wait and see, get some data gathering here. Ah, damn, hate to see that. Let me know if anybody else has any other questions, guys. Any other tickers you want me to cover? Again, if you guys are not already on the Tradeify platform, highly recommend it to all, guys. Tradeify.co, code StockDads. Straight to funded, no evaluation process. Need you guys. Super dope. I've been paid out twice by them. Lightning fast payouts. What more can you want? Thoughts on MURA? I don't really mess with stocks like this, guys, especially really cheap ones like this that are just, yeah, I mean, we really don't even have much data from this, so I would not touch this one personally, guys. There's thousands and thousands of stocks in the market, right? Opportunity cost is a real thing. Any other questions, guys? Feel free, let me know. How can I 10x your portfolio? Got a lotto it on a 0-day option, of course, huh? Of course. What else are you going to do? Got a master trading view? Yeah. Well, what do you need to learn about trading view, Steve, sir? What do you need to know? I was actually thinking, should I make some like educational videos on just how to use trading view better? Let me know, guys. Let me know thoughts on that. NVIDIA buy when? I mean, NVIDIA just went on a pretty nice run. Probably a sell the news event. I'd say it's actually a decent spot. I would say like 140, 139, 140. It's a solid spot. Solid spot there. Yeah, I feel like I should do that, right? GEV is popping here. Beautiful trade. I mean, that's just textbook. Like this, fish? Like that? Is that what you're saying, fish? Hi, would you invest 100 million in this point, in this moment? No, I would not invest 100 million. Damn, look at that GEV. Yeah, just long position, short position. Great trade there in GEV. Super stoked about that one. I'll make a trade recap for that later. I am jamming. Check out the activity on Ace Lurin today. I'm not sure what that is, but let's see. Ace Celerin? Yeah, not a fan of this one, guys. Not a fan of this one. I'm just hyped on this GEV trade. That was a beauty. When you get beauty trades like that, guys, Let me know, guys, if any other questions, especially if it's about TradingView. If you have any TradingView questions, now's the time to ask while I can just like rip through them. I mean, I can make some content about it, but I can just like answer some questions, like shortcuts, like, you know, stuff like that. I bought GEV. I bought in right here at the hourly 20 EMA, right at the breakout zone here. Retested the breakout zone. Couldn't beat a better, easier trade in my opinion. And I closed the position right here at 369s. We did pop a little bit higher, but I'm going to look for some type of re-entry here, guys. Something like that. On my own. Let me know, guys, any other questions. Appreciate that, Severs. Yeah, so hotkey, shortcuts, indicators being... Yeah, so a couple things I can just tell you off the bat right away, guys. If you guys... This is ticker symbol GEV, guys. We got in literally dead bottom. Absolutely sniped this trade. Left a little bit on the table, but still can't be mad. No, it's GEV, guys. GEV, not GVE, not GVE. So a couple things, guys, right? I'll just go through a couple little shortcuts, right? Number one, when typing in a ticker, right, you don't have to go up here. You don't have to go up here. You don't have to click this, right? You don't have to click this top left corner, right? You can simply just type on your keyboard. So click the chart, right? Click the chart, type in on your keyboard. Again, see where my cursor is? Tesla. Click. AMD. All I'm doing is just typing it. You don't have to go to the top. You don't have to go to the top, okay? When wanting to toggle between different time frames, you don't have to go up here and you don't have to scroll, right? All you got to do is just type, same deal. So if you want to go 5-minute chart, we're already on the 5-minute chart, but you would type 5, right? If you want to go to the hourly chart, you would type 60. If you want to go to the daily chart, you type in 1 and then D. Goes to the daily. You want to go to the monthly, go 1M, monthly, weekly, right? 15-minute, hourly. If you want to go to the 4-hour, you can't type that. I was just showing that you can't type that. But if you want to go to the 4-hour, you type in 240. That gives you this, okay? So again, that's just a little bit of a shortcut there. Is that helpful for anybody? Just talking about tickers, talking about numbers, right? So if you're just trying to, like, let's just say you're trading this, or let's just say you're trading NQ, right? And you want to quickly go through the time frames. All right, let's go to the 15. All right, I want to look at the 5-minute. Okay, I want to look at the 2-minute. No, simply get on there, type 2. Okay, we're on the 2. Good. Type 15. Okay, and you can just toggle through the different time frames like this. 2, 5, 15, hour. It's very simple. Okay. Hopefully that's a bit helpful there. Next thing, you want to have a tool. You want to have a favorites tool. Right here. See this? This is my favorites toolbar. You got it, Stevers. So what you want to do is you want to pick all the tools that are applicable, because same deal. Look, you go to your left-hand side here with all the different tools. What do you have? You got this with all these different choices, right? You got this, all these different choices, all the different choices here, etc., right? So rather than just trying to have to scroll through that, all you got to do is go to the tools you like and star them, okay? And then it goes on your favorites bar. So for me, Actually, let me just do like this. Just making it a little bit more organized here. Cool. So this is my favorites bar. Okay, it's very simple. Fib retracement, fib extension. This is just a rectangle. Just helps me just draw boxes, supply and demand zone, supports, whatever you want to call it. Here's just trend line, right? 2 clicks, trend line. This is just an arrow, so I can point at stuff on the chart, right? Horizontal line, very self-explanatory. Oops. This is a channel, so you can draw like ranges, or you can draw bull flags, whatever you want to draw. Just a channel tool. Here's a path tool. This shows you just the path. So if you want to say, okay, I'm watching NQ and I want to see something like this happen, and then we could take entry somewhere in here, right? That's what we'll say. So yeah, that is path, right? Then we have our long position tool and our short position. This is what Fish was asking me about, how to kind of put the R to R on the screen without actually taking the trades, right? So that's the best way to do it right there. You have the long position, so you can say, okay, if I want to enter it right here with a stop loss underneath the lows, take profit up here, whatever it is, right? That's the long position tool. Same thing, short position. And then here's just a text box if you want to add any text on the screen. And then here's just a brush where you can just like draw whatever you want, circle things, whatever. In my opinion, that's really all you need. If you go through here, there's other stuff, right? I've looked through pretty much all this stuff. I don't use much of that. I don't think there's much you need here, personally. I don't use really anything else besides fib and trend-based fib. Patterns, I mean, sure, you could draw this, but I don't really like using a lot of patterns. I'm not an Elliott Wave guy, so I don't really need that. This, don't really need much of this. And then this tool, you don't really need a lot of this, right? I have the path, the rectangle, like I said. I don't think you need stuff like arcs. I mean, I don't really use stuff like that. I mean, they're cool visuals, but you don't need it by any means. So to create the favorite bar, all you got to do is go to the left-hand side. So click on anything. So trend line and just tap the star. And that'll input the favorite bar. Bottom left-hand corner right here, there's a star. It says show favorite drawing tools. That's all you got to do. Just show the favorite on the bottom left. Actually, I just realized you can't see my full screen, but it's on the left-hand side.
Doctor, all medicines you take. Don't take Withstrong's CYP3A4 inhibitors. Get help right away for allergic reactions like trouble breathing or face, tongue, or throat swelling, which may occur hours to days after use. Common side effects include nausea and sleepiness. Migraine pain relief starts with you. Learn how AbbVie can help you save on your Brelvy.
You too, Sievers. Got you. Let me know if anybody else has any other questions, though, guys. Let me know if anyone else has any other questions, guys. Any other questions from TikTok or anybody? Let me know. If there's no more questions, I might just head out early on the day. Call it a day. Let me know, let me know, let me know. You want to join? Well, the link is in the bio, Farah. Farah, the link is in the bio. Use code Zach, gets you a 30% discount for life. I can't text you the link. The link is in the bio. I'm on stream, so I can't do anything. The link is in the bio, though. So use code ZACH, Z-A-C-H on the screen right here. Gets you 30% off for life. My personal Instagram is Zach Austin Trades, guys. Just posted it in the chat there on Instagram. Any questions on TikTok, guys? Anyone have any questions? Let me know, guys. I'm here to answer questions, try to help you guys out whenever you can, however I can. So, how much you need to start? You don't need much. If you want to trade futures, couple $100. That's all you need. Couple $100 for futures, and we'll get you on the right path. And we'll show you the ropes there. Again, it's not going to be easy. It's not going to be easy, but you don't need a ton of capital, guys. That's just the truth. The 2-minute thing, it's very simple. So just like the 5-minute EMA flips, it's just the 2 minutes. So for, oh, what the hell? Okay, I don't know what just happened there. I trade options and futures, truck pape. How does trading futures compare to trading stock options? If you like trading options, trading futures is even easier. Oh, here we go. We're back. Can you guys see my screen? No, you can't. Hold on. There you go. So it's very simple, right? The 2-minute flip is the same thing as a 5-minute. So for example, we're on Meta right here. We're on Meta. This is the 2-minute flip. The 2-minute flip there, the 5-minute flipped here. So if you want confirmation, you want the 2-minute to flip with a 5-minute close, and then the 5-minute to flip. That's it. Trading futures, though, is much easier in my opinion, guys. Unbiased opinion, I think trading futures is easier. I think trading futures is easier. Futures, there's no time decay. You don't have to worry. It's very simple, very black or white. Is price going up? Yes or no. Is price going down? Yes or no. Am I betting up, betting down? And that's it. There's no other third-party things you have to worry about. guys, I think I'm going to head out for the day here. Been on stream for about an hour. I don't think we're going to get too much more the rest of the day. We caught that really banger trade in GEV. Just covering it one more time for those that missed it. We took it at the bottom here. Why? Because this was the previous breakout range right here, previous all-time high. Looking at the hourly, right? The hourly 20 EMA. I expect a bit more chop, maybe for another hour or two. That's about it. We got a really, really great trade. If you were to have held another 5 minutes, those contracts would have been up 100%. Absolutely stellar, guys. I appreciate everybody who's tuned in. Appreciate those who've supported. If anyone has any questions, feel free to DM me on Discord or TikTok or Instagram. Again, if anybody is not already in the Discord, click the link in the bio. Make sure you guys are using code ZACH. If you want to be on the Tradeify platform, code StockDads gets you 30 to 50% off. And that's it for me. Have a good rest of the day, guys. Hopefully you guys learned something. That's it. How do I stop signing? I'm not sure.